Hello friends, this is Munib Shahid and you are watching Munib Tech Solutions. So friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can resolve the pixel setup problem. Like even if you have installed your Facebook pixel but it still says that you need to reinstall your Facebook pixel or the Meta pixel is required. Sometime you have installed the pixel correctly and it is working, but it still says that you need to reinstall your Facebook pixel. So I will tell you the solution of this problem in this video. So please keep watching, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel. So let's continue. Let's check if my pixel is working or not. So it says that last received 39 minutes ago. So it means that my Facebook pixel is working. Then what is the problem? When I'm creating the sales campaign, and it says that let me show you that uh, I'm using the sales campaign here. So when we run the sales campaign, then we must need to install Facebook pixel and set its event. So what is the problem here? Even if I have installed the pixel, so the problem is here. You have to come to your Facebook business manager and then you have to go to pixel, and then you have to connect, then you have to click on connected assets. Here you are going to click on add assets. Here you will see that I am basically not connected with any ad account. So I will click on this and then click on add button. After that, once my name is appearing here, uh, let me show you here. Let's say this is my name, and you can see that now I am connected with pixel and ad account. So when we go back, then uh, then we need to refresh it. So once it is set up, you can see that it says now pixel is okay. It means big pixel is appearing here. So you can select your desired event from here. Like you can select purchase or maybe whatever you want. Okay, and after that you can start creating your ads, and it will not it will not showing you here. Sometimes even it shows you here that your pixel is not correct. So this is a problem if you have reinstalled the pixel, and still you are seeing here that your pixel is not connected, or you need to install it. Then you must have to come to the pixel section, and then you have to click on connected asset, and you have to connect your ad account with pixel. So I hope so, guys, this should be a working process for you. And if you found this video helpful for you, then please I request you to subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.